Hey everyone, welcome back to Fashionframe. I wasn't here for the last week and finally I'm back. Today we're gonna learn how to create and also add a t-shirt label onto the garment in Clo3d, and like most of the tutorials on this channel, this one is a step-by-step and also a beginner-friendly one. So even if you're a beginner, you can follow along. Let's dive in. Okay, via the link in the description, you can download the PSD file, which you can see on the screen. And we're going to use Adobe Photoshop to have the tutorial of changing and customizing it. So open the Adobe Photoshop software. And if you wanna change the logo, open this file and use this tiny square. Then you can drag and drop your own logo on this window and it will be replaced. So you can turn the eye icon off and use Ctrl S and then Ctrl W to bring it on this file. You can also change the size information, and if you double click here, you can type and change the size you want. And also you can drag it to reposition it. And if you double click on the text, you can type your own garment's information. To remove care symbols, you can easily turn this eye icon off and you can delete each symbol if you want to. And if you want to change the color, you can turn these eyes on. And we're done with customizing, so we can go from file part and save it as a PNG file. So we should change it to PNG. And we're going to the Clo3d software to bring it onto the garment. Okay, I'm back to Clo3d and we need to add it as a graphic file. So we should use graphic tool, and this is my PNG file. So we should select it and add it onto the back pattern. Before adding the label, we should toggle back the garment rendering style to thick textured surface. And we also need to hide the avatar. It should be add onto the back pattern. So we can add it maybe here, and also change the size of it because it's too big. As you can see, it was added onto the front side of the garment. So we should bring it on the back side. So we can select it, and from property editor, face part, we should change it and bring it on the back part. Now it's okay. But if you consider it, we can't see it on the 2D window. From this toggle bar on the 2D window, garment rendering style on this window, we should change it and put it on back texture surface. Now if I zoom in, you can see it will be appeared here. There's no fault on the side of it, but if yours is flipped and you wanna flip it correctly, so you should right click on it and use flip horizontally or vertically if you need to do it. But everything is okay here, and I'm done with adding this label onto the garment. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed, guys, and if you liked it, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the like button below. It really helps the channel grow. I'll see you soon.